Well, hopefully I've got another fun-filled day, huh? I'll have to go fly the drone, but it is a very overcast day, and it's raining in some parts right now. So that can be a problem when you have drones. And I'll do my best to fly today, but it's just another one of those things, kind of like crop dusters. If it's raining, there's no flying. But it is a cooler day because of the clouds, so I'm not too sad. At first I was like, no, it's gonna rain, but then it hasn't rained for 3 weeks. It's been a long time. And everything's just drying out. Grass drying out, soil's drying out, whatever. I guess the grass is drying out because the soil's drying out. But yeah, it's getting dry. We could use some rain. It's like everything has gotten rain around us, except for here where we are. So like in our lawn, it's doing so awful. I put little bits of water on it myself, but it's not worth watering it the amount it needs. And yeah, I'll conserve some water. Help the aquifer a little bit, although my one house is not going to make that much of a difference compared to the whole system. Now, if everybody was like, you know what, I don't need to water my lawn, then it would make a difference. Still not as much as like agriculture water. Agriculture water is like one of the largest consumers of aquifer water. And then after that, it's like industrial and residential or municipal, whatever. But yeah, aquifer is important. But when you don't get rain, you gotta use it. So I'll give my few drops to that handful of corn plants out somewhere. But it is a beautiful day in good old Arkansas. Alright, so we did have to wait for, how long was it? 10 minutes, maybe, for the rain. So that wasn't too bad. At first it was looking bad because it started pouring rain as we were leaving the school. And it was like, no, don't rain on us. But once we got to the field, it had already calmed down and it was just a little sprinkle. And then after we got the drone set up, or we started setting up the drone and it quit raining, and we're like, sweet, let's fly. And then all of a sudden, right as we were getting ready to fly, it started sprinkling again. So we waited for that 10-minute period, and then we had a window and we took it, and it was awesome. We had a really good flight. And now we're just waiting. We are on flight number 3 of the day out of 5 flights. Unfortunately, the first 3 fields are the smallest fields, and the last 2 fields are the big ones. Those just over 70 acre each fields. So, not too bad today. I am really enjoying this weather. It's warm, but it's not hot, and I would take that over anything. It's humid too. But yeah, no sun is pretty good. Loving the clouds. That's it for field work today. Remember to love your soil. And don't forget to get soil.